Okay, this looks like this got some good dents in it. This just came seconds ago. Let's open her up. And there it is. Not intonatable, which I thought it would be. Oops, sorry, wrong way. Hamer. Okay, let's get some pickup readings. Your front or neck pickup is reading 769. Middle position. .825, and in lead or bridge 7.63. I totally forgot that I wanted to check out under the hood scoop. Nice control cavity wiring. These are actually 500K pots. I'm not sure if you can see that on there, but which is weird because sometimes I've seen with P90 styles you put 250K. So trying to see where the pieces are in this. You can kind of see a seam here. This looks like it's relatively all one piece over here. Oh. So the neck does not have a scarf joint, but you can see there's three pieces. There's one starting there. Maybe you can see it better here. And then there's another piece like right there. So all the way up the neck, up onto the peg head, and then you can see you got the ears. They glue on the pieces on the side there. Still a good looking guitar, made in Indonesia. Hamer branded tuners. And get some sound samples. I'm not gonna lie, I was just playing it and it's very twangy. So out of the box, this is a nice looking guitar. Good finish, good color. I know this is kind of one of those intonatables that you can kind of move, but you get your adjustment screws. I prefer to have individual saddles. So this action is pretty high right now. It's super high in my opinion. I could go down quite a bit. We're going to attempt to make it go down. We have some room still. But it needs a good setup, no doubt about it. Got this from Pro Audio Star, so I guess they don't set guitars up before they ship them out, but hey, we'll see what we can do with it. And once we get that done, we'll get some sound samples. Hi, so we're back to listen to this guitar right now. You've seen all the details and the readings and the unboxing and all that good stuff. The P90s, I'm going to be going through the Friedman Runt 20, which I've used in some of the other stuff. Like most P90s, it gets a little loud, but we'll start on the clean. I'm just going to do some noodling, some riffing, some chords, a couple notes here and there. Let you hear the different pickups and get some good sounds out of this thing. Just using the mic on the GoPro, so nothing high tech. It's a very nice looking guitar. The action was really high. I've lowered it considerably. It's still intonated pretty nicely, considering this doesn't have individual saddles. It's dead nuts on. Individual saddles for intonating, I should say. But the action's better now. It's heavier strings than I normally use. Getting a little bit of string buzz. Had to do a little truss rod adjustment, and you know, not a bad guitar though for the price that I paid it. Because I didn't pay full price, so I'm going to tell you what I paid. But it's not a bad guitar. Me personally, I'd have to put a little heavier sound and pickup in here, a mini humbucker of some kind for what I play, but it's not bad. It might suit you perfect. So here we go. This is in the neck position. We'll go through it. A little buzzy. bridge. Now we're going to go to the higher gain. We're going to get some noise and some buzz and all that good stuff. Some basic sounds. You got to hear the amp. Good sound of pickups for P90s. They're very, very definitely trebly. Not bad. Not a bad guitar. Made in Indonesia. Probably said that somewhere. Talked about the neck. Good, nice profile. Branded tuners. I still have the back cavity off. But, like I said, I'm going to probably change this out. Put a DiMarzio mini humbucker because I just need a little more oomph for what I play. But the guitar is a beautiful guitar. Feels good when you're playing with a strap. I've already done that. Not a very thick body. Nice work, Hamer. I know you're not the Hamer USAs like I have, but you're a pretty good runner-up, let's say. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, whatever they call that thing. And check out my music online, all my projects, all my bands. And at the end of this video, there'll be a little thing showing all the album covers. So, talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.